Hey, what's going on, everyone? This video is going to be a market analysis of the exchange token of the crypto.com platform, that is CRO. And we're going to start with CRO BTC. And this is from the Huobi platform. And if you guys look to purchase this cryptocurrency asset, I recommend using one of the links down below to purchase it from KuCoin or Huobi, and you will get a trading discount from doing so. Before we go into the analysis, I'm going to show you guys that I did actually just buy CRO. As you guys can see over here, I bought 3,272 shares, pretty small amount, not anything large. I'm doing a small investment into this cryptocurrency as I do believe it looks pretty bullish for the long term. Now, there is high risk, but there is high reward. So that's why I'm not buying so much of it, but just to show you guys that I am serious, I did buy some. Now, let's take a look at this weekly chart. As you can see, we are above a significant resistance zone right over here. And we did find support there again, and we seem to be having a bit of trouble breaching this resistance over here. Now, we did have a bit of trouble breaching these resistances previously on the weekly chart, but now that we are testing them for the second time, I wouldn't be surprised if we do end up breaching them in the near future. So let's take a look at the lower time frame, probably the daily time frame, so we can see that we did have some trouble breaching this, and we could potentially have a bearish divergence like this, but move above that would negate this and would probably send us to this resistance over here, which we would probably eventually break out of and head to that next resistance zone, which would be very bullish. Now, it's also very possible that we could head to this support first before doing that. If that support doesn't hold, I wouldn't be surprised if we head down to this support over here. Now, that's about it for the BTC analysis of this asset. Now let's head into the USDT one. We can also do this on Huobi. So let's look at the weekly time frame. So as we can see, I have a bunch of supports and resistances set up on the weekly time frame, and we also have a 3 white soldiers pattern right over here. Oops. These 3 green candlesticks are a 3 white soldiers, a very bullish pattern that appear right after that large drop. So that is really positive to see. That makes me really confident about this asset. You can also see we have the divergence that goes over here. We have this resistance that if we see that broken, these resistances over here, these 4 of them, will not be that hard to breach. And that will probably take us to this previous high over here. Now let's take a look at the lower time frame, the daily chart. We can see that we have a divergence that is similar to the one we saw in the BTC pair. And if this is not broken, it will likely test this resistance. This support once again. Let's check out the 4-hour chart. We can see we're finding strong resistance here. So I wouldn't be surprised if we head back to 4.85 cents in order to bounce off and go to this upper resistance and then eventually further. Now, if this support does not hold, we will likely test 4.3 cents. These are both fantastic buying opportunities over here. So I will be setting that zone up in order to purchase if we go there. Same thing with this zone over here. I would see these both as great buying opportunities for myself to buy small amounts of CRO to hold for the long term. Now, if this does break up upwards, we will likely see this zone be reached. So just keep watching the charts. If you guys want to stay updated on this one without having to do it yourself, make sure to join my Telegram while it's still free. The link is down below. And make sure to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss anything I post here about this cryptocurrency asset. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe. Stay tuned for more. Take care, guys.